What's up, it's Jay here, and I wasn't originally going to show you this, but in this short video, I'm going to show you a real life website that I built up from scratch to profitability using the exact strategies that you'll be learning inside my Screw 95 course. Now, the reason I wasn't originally going to show you this is because every single time I seem to reveal one of my niche sites publicly, it just seems to result in a ton of people copying my exact site and niche, which means a ton of extra competition for me, which is never ideal. However, that being said, I've always found that the best way to teach people how to do this stuff for themselves is to show them real life examples of how it's done. So I thought, screw it, and I'm going to show you one of my real niche sites. And that site is waycoolgadgets.com. Now, this site is extremely simple. It's just a WordPress powered site with a nice looking theme. And if you don't know what WordPress is or how to set it up, then don't worry, because it's extremely easy and only takes a few minutes, and I'll be showing you exactly how to set it up inside the Screw 95 course. But despite this site being quite simple, it attracts thousands of targeted visitors every day from the search engines, from the social networks, and from all over the web. And what's really funny about this is that the site is pretty much just stuffed full of affiliate links to various products. In fact, most of the content on this site is nothing revolutionary or amazing. It's just interesting products that I found on sites like Amazon and that I've reposted to my site with a picture, a short description, and an affiliate link so that I can get a commission every time someone buys something. But even though this site is basically just full of affiliate links, people actually love the site so much that they come back to it over and over again, that they naturally link out to it, and that they share these products all over the web, including on social networks and on blogs and on all sorts of other sites. For example, take a look at this aquarium sink that I posted, which you can see has been shared over 200 times on Facebook. And these are all 100% real shares by real people, and this number continues to grow as new people continue to find this product and reshare it. Or how about this Nintendo themed coffee table that has been shared over 150 times on Facebook and has been +1'd over 60 times on the Google Plus social network. And again, these are all real shares by real people. Or if you want even more examples, you can look at these zombie garden gnomes that have over 230 reshares on Facebook. This Zelda Triforce lamp that's got over 100 reshares on Facebook, as well as a bunch of upvotes on Reddit, or this cat scratching post that has almost 100 reshares on Facebook and over 50 plus ones on Google+. And I could seriously go on and on and on, but I think you get the idea. People are sharing this stuff like crazy. And these are just the reshares from the social networks that are listed on my site. But in fact, these products are also getting shared all over a ton of sites that aren't even in this list. For example, over at Tumblr, this Nintendo-style coffee table has received over 120 likes and reshares. This laser projection keyboard has received over 150 likes and reshares. And this transparent canoe has been liked and reshared over 180 times. Or if we head over to the lesser known social site weheartit.com, we can see that that same transparent canoe has been shared over 200 times. This retro style hot dog maker has been shared over 120 times, and this floating cabana lounger has been shared over 270 times in total. Again, I could go on and on. These products are just everywhere. And because of all of these natural social signals and backlinks that I'm constantly getting to my site on autopilot, the search engines absolutely love this site and are ranking it extremely highly for some extremely competitive keywords. For example, if we head over to the US version of Google, then we can see that the site is currently ranked in the number 2 spot for its main keyword, which is cool gadgets. Now, this keyword is not only super competitive, but it's a keyword that attracts a ton of buyers that are actually looking to purchase cool gadgets online, so they convert into sales extremely well. But on top of that, the site also ranks for a ton of other valuable gadget related keywords and is even in the number 1 spot for some really valuable keywords like bachelor pad gadgets, cheap gadgets, and clever gadgets. But it doesn't just end there, because it's also ranking for a ton of product names too. For example, if we search for products like the Batman brake light cover, the Zelda Triforce lamp, or the Dynamite clock, we can see that they are all sitting comfortably on the first page of Google. So basically, this site is absolutely killing it on the social networks, in Google, and basically everywhere else online, which is pretty awesome considering that it's just a simple WordPress powered website that I've added a bunch of affiliate products to. And as you can imagine, this site brings me in affiliate commissions round the clock. And the coolest thing about these types of sites is that once they're set up, they tend to take on a life of their own and grow like wildfire, even if you don't touch or update them for months. And the reason for this is because as you start to rank in the search engines, more and more people find these products and reshare them all over the web, which gives you even more backlinks and social signals, which in turn increases your search rankings even more, which then results in even more people finding and sharing your products. And the cycle just continues on and on and on until you have one hell of a profitable money-making beast on your hands. And what's more is these sites aren't hard to build. In fact, all you need to do is follow the simple steps that I'll be showing you in the Screw 95 course, because inside the course you'll learn absolutely everything that you need to know to quickly and easily set up these incredibly profitable sites. Furthermore, inside the course, I'll be giving you an even closer look at this Way Cool Gadget site, and I'll be showing you the actual traffic and revenue that it's bringing in. Plus, in the course, I'll also be showing you a case study of another site that's built up in just the same way, but is in a totally different niche. And on top of that, I'll even be building up a third case study site along with you right in front of your eyes as I teach you every single step of the process. This course will really show you absolutely everything and leaves nothing hidden. And that is why the Screw 95 course is like nothing you've ever seen before. So if you're ready to start building your own insanely profitable niche sites, then click the order button on this page to get instant access to the course today.